All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. This is a very simple trade. We called this to the T, just like how we did EURUSD. This is beautiful right here. So we went point A, point B. We called the fact that it would pull up to about 38.2, anywhere in this region, and it did. It got to 38.2 and it fell off. All right. This is based on the daily time frame. We had to back up in time frames because this push to the downside was very, very aggressive. Now, when it comes to this area over here, we saw the fact that price was starting to stall up. Once it started to stall up like this, I exited out of my buy, and then from there, you could have seen based upon the M30 time frame. If you were to scroll down here, you'll be able to see the fact that we said, hey, listen, price is going to pull back a bit, and from pulling back, sheesh, come on, man. And from pulling back, price will find some level of resistance, and then from there continue its way to the downside. And that's exactly what it did. So price went ahead and where did it break? This was a level of support. So I guess this was the break right here. It didn't really have a full retracement, but you should have caught this already. You should have caught it either way. So we caught this push to the downside, and now we're up a good amount of pips. Let me see how many pips. We would have caught it most likely around there. So about 145 pips right now. Hopefully you caught this. Mind you, we called this to the T. All right, guys. Now, it still has some more push to it. The rule that I make is if you didn't catch the move, you lost the move. If you get in halfway through and price reverses on you, that's your fault. Here's the thing, guys. This is the analogy that I put out mostly in my in-person course. What I explain to people is, hey, listen, think about if you are a surfer. Now, I don't know how many of you guys surf. I don't. But I've seen people surf. And when it comes to a surfer, it's not like the surfer will see the wave, let the wave pass by, and then be like, oh, a wave, and then get in halfway through the wave, is almost done, and then it crashes, and then, the guy wipes out. Most likely, the way that surfers work is they'll see a wave coming, and before the wave starts, they'll start paddling. And as they're moving in the direction of the wave, now the wave comes and takes the surfer. And then the surfer will have all the fun that he wants as the wave, is going. And before the wave crashes, he gets out. As opposed to the wave is halfway through, jumps in, trying to get as much, fun as he can within that wave, and then the thing crashes. And as opposed to just hitting a rock, you probably lost some money. So that's how I do things, guys. If you miss it all the way up here and it's halfway through, negative 27% is right there, you missed it. Because price, it doesn't have to get to the take profit. It doesn't have to. It could literally stop right here and then continue to the upside. I don't think it's going to do that, but it can. So with that being the case, guys, hopefully you understood the analogy that I had. Probably I could have put it a little bit better. But if you liked anything that we just said, what I highly encourage you guys to do is go to FXProNow.com. We have a free 1-hour Forex trading that you'll be able to get access to. Being the fact that it's only 1 hour, I can't throw in everything in there, right? What I do is I share who I am, so I'm not some weirdo. How I learned about Forex and stuff like that. Then I share 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional now. I share the vision of what we're looking to do as a company, and then from there I give you an offer of our full course that you can be able to get access to, over 15 hours of content where I'm teaching you exactly step by step everything that you can be able to see here, but how and why I'm saying everything. It may seem very simple right here because I promise you, it is 100%. This once you get it, you get it. The most important part is the in-betweens, but also it's the mindset portion. Being around a community of people that can be able to hold you accountable is very important as well, and that's what we offer with what we got going on. But it's way more than that. And when you get started, you'll be able to see what we're talking about. So greatly appreciate your time, guys. If you have any questions, go to fxpronow.com as well. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Ask whatever question that you need. I'm very accessible. Greatly appreciate your time, guys. Peace.